now seeing it happen faster in weeks. Sometimes people start to feel better in days. It's amazing, right? Each person's a little bit different, but that's why we create a custom plan based off those x-rays, their health goals, and what they desire to accomplish with care. We create the best plan for them to heal as efficiently as possible. So that covers the integrator and how it works. If you guys have questions, leave it in the comment section below. If you're thinking of someone that you want to share this with, you can tag them in the comments below, share it to them. We made it as easy as possible. I tried to keep it as short as I can. And if you guys haven't already, hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next video.